Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the chapter storing data for class 4. Now let's start. Computers have memory. When we enter data, it is temporarily stored in the computer's main memory. Computers have two kinds of memory, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM or random access memory is available for the operating system and programs when the computer is running. Data in RAM is temporary. Once we turn off the computer, the data is deleted. So basically RAM is temporary. RAM में जो हमारे पास डेटा होता है वो टेम्प्रेरी होता है. अगर एक दफ़ा आपने कंप्यूटर टर्न ऑफ कर दिया है तो आपका जो डेटा है जब आप दोबारा कंप्यूटर ऑन करेंगे वो डिलीट हो चुका होगा. Next one is ROM or read-only memory. Contains instructions for booting up the computer. Data in ROM is permanent and is not erased when we shut down the computer. ROM में जो हमारे पास डेटा होता है वो परमानेंट होता है. अगर आप कंप्यूटर शट डाउन भी कर दें तो आपका जो डेटा है वो डिलीट नहीं होगा. Okay, computers store data in different ways. Primary storage and secondary storage. Primary storage is the internal memory of the computer. It includes the main memory or RAM. Every program we execute and every file we access is copied from a storage device to the main memory. The size of the main memory determines how many programs can run at a time and how much data is available. Secondary storage is external memory, where we can store data for future use. Secondary storage devices have much larger storage capacities than primary storage devices. Hard drives, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, and USB flash drives are secondary storage devices. So here we have the pictures of primary storage and secondary storage. Now, computers store data on disk. A disk is a round plate on which data is saved after being converted into machine code encoded. There are two kinds of disks, magnetic disks and optical disks. Hard disks are magnetic disks, CDs are optical disks. The hard disk is a fixed storage device in the computer that stores and provides quick access to large amount of data. If the hard drive fails, you can lose all your saved data. That is why it is important to make a backup of all data. For example, basically hard disk device जो अगर फेल हो जाए और आप उसके अंदर आपका जो डेटा है वो सारा आप डिलीट हो सकता है, आप दोबारा वो आपका डेटा नहीं मिल सकता. इसलिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अपने हर डेटा का बैकअप बनाएं. An external hard disk drive is portable and can be connected to a computer. So here we have a note on blue portion. Floppy disks were used as storage devices some years ago, but not anymore. The icon for the save command in Microsoft Word is a floppy disk. पहले जो था हमारे पास फ्लॉपी डिस्क स्टोरेज डिवाइस के तौर पर यूज़ करी जाती थी, लेकिन बहुत पहले. लेकिन अब नहीं, अब जो है वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में सेव कमांड के तौर पर यूज़ की जाती है. An optical disk is a secondary storage device on which data is stored by using laser. Compact discs, CDs, are used to store digital data and audio files. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. DVDs can store more data than CDs. Blu-ray discs are optical discs that can store high-definition video files. So यहाँ पर काफ़ी मुख्तलिफ किस्म की CDs हैं, आप पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. A USB flash drive is a portable storage device. It is compact, fast, and stores a large amount of data in a very small space. USB flash drives are removable and rewritable. Unlike CDs and magnetic disks, USB flash drives cannot be damaged by scratches and dust. They are convenient means of transporting data from one place to another because of their small size. Computers today come with several USB ports. A USB flash drive is also known as a pen drive. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. तो USB के ज़रिए हम अपनी जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है, वो अपनी USB में हम सेव कर सकते हैं, उसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जा सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर स्मॉल साइज़, काफ़ी छोटी होती है, आप कहीं भी उसे लेके आ जा सकते हैं, अपने कंप्यूटर में डेटा ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, कंप्यूटर से अपनी USB में ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है हमारे लिए.